Hey y'all, this your girl Bridget Nicole. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. And if you're back visiting, welcome back. So A2Z, a company from Amazon, sent me this gorgeous 613 super long synthetic unit. It retails for about $40 on Amazon, and yeah, let's try this baby on. It has 3 combs and an elastic band, an adjustable band in the very back. And I've already cut the lace, and I just put foundation powder in the parting area. I didn't put it like around the lace. I'm not a frontal girl, if that makes sense. I really don't like frontals. And the only reason why I don't really like them is because like I work out a lot, and so I sweat a lot. And so I don't have time for the maintenance of a frontal. Frontals are gorgeous. I wish I could wear them more often, but the maintenance that I would have to do as far as keeping up with the frontal, as for me, would just be way too much. I mean, even if you don't work out, frontals are already high maintenance. Okay, so this is okay, you guys. So basically I'm just showing you how I adjust my wig and get the fitting of it just right. And I'm also going to show you guys how the hairline looks. Now, they do claim that the hairline is already pre-plucked, but in my opinion, I feel that it does need to be plucked a tad bit more to give a more realistic look if you are planning to wear it as a frontal. I am not, so if you do just plan on wearing it as a middle part with the sides hanging down, then you really don't have to worry about plucking the hairline. This thing is long. This thing is long. I'm gonna have to show y'all just how long it is. But let me brush it out. This color is pretty. I don't know if I'm feeling the whole 613 all the way through. It's pretty, but I feel like I need to darken the roots. And how I darken my roots, how I darken my roots, I just use a Sharpie and I just go into the root area and darken it. Nothing special. Okay, so here I am showing you guys how long it is. It does stop right at my waist, and I am 5'11", so yeah, it is very long. Like, this is okay. I feel like it's okay. I feel like this is perfect birthday hair. I think I'm gonna go in and darken the roots, because I don't know, it just looks kind of Party City. It's looking a little Party City in here. Okay, so here I am going in with my black Sharpie and applying it to the root area of the wig. And for me, this just allows it to look a tad bit more natural. I'm just not a fan of wigs that don't have dark roots, especially when they are light in color like this one. Okay, so this is how it's looking after the whole attempting to do the dark roots. My Sharpie ran out on me, and I wanted to actually bring it down lower. Yeah, I wanted to actually bring it down lower. But anyways, overall, this is still gorgeous birthday hair. It's so pretty and silky. You definitely want to travel with a paddle brush with this wig. Just, you know, to keep it in order. It's not anything too bad. I feel like you should travel with a paddle brush in your purse regardless. Especially when it's synthetic and when it's long, because we all know synthetic wigs tangle easily. I mean, at the end of the day, you're getting what you pay for. This hair is so pretty. I do feel like it looks so much better with the dark roots. So yes, I feel like it looks a lot more natural. I definitely would recommend you purchasing this wig. It's affordable, it's beauty. So yes, like always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all, Bye.